Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I so much appreciate you. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple tutorial on how to make a stabilized whipped cream. Yeah, it's a very short recipe, a very simple recipe, and under 3 minutes you are done. So these are the things I'll be using. My mixer bowl. It is very cold right now, very cold. My balloon whips and cold water. So that's just basically all. That's just all you need. Then I'll be using my whipped cream. This is how I got it. I bought 500 grams, and this is Vision whipped cream. You can buy any brand you are used to. You can buy any brand you know how to use, but this is what I'm working with today. If this is a video you want to watch, please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Without further much delay, let's get right into the video. So this is my whipped cream. This is 125 grams. I would leave the measurements in my description box below. So I am doing so. Just pour this into this like so. Then my cold water goes in next. So